Bring up the window so we can pull the window glass out, but I left we disconnected the switch here, and so but we got ways to make it go up. Just not sure where it exactly has to be. I gotta go down. I think it's right there. No, I went too far. Which one was it? Damn. Right there. Okay, so that's the passenger side, the driver's side. Let's get this. Alright. No, come on. Go the other way. Okay, so it's this one here. That looks like it's about it right there. Hopefully we'll be able to take them out. Put your screws back on and you'll never mess up because you'll have your screws on your piece. And then bag and tag them. It's gonna be like my motto. Alright, let's see if we get this glass out of here now. It's gotta go down. Oh, okay. I see. Let's try to lift this window out. Afraid I'm gonna drop it. My hands ain't as good as they used to be. we go. Now I gotta put it somewhere safe. Which I don't know where I'm gonna put it. And now guys, come on. When you take a car apart, clean the parts before you put them away. It's a smart thing to do. Because these doors are all greasy. There's probably 20 pounds of grease and it's probably, I don't know, 40, 50 years old. So, alright, I'm gonna keep going. I don't think you gotta go through the whole boring thing of pulling everything apart, but you get an idea on how to do it. So, I'll take this apart and then I'll chime you back in.